Coach Jackson here today, and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe so that you can be aware of uploads that I have. I upload every Thursday, so make sure that you subscribe to my channel so that you can see upcoming videos. All right, today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a clean with me and organization video to get things prepared for my half bath makeover. So I wanted to share with you guys what it is. Now with this video, I will tell you guys it's not a messy bathroom, the half bath that is, I should say, because we really don't use this half bath as much as we do our main bath. So you're not going to see a whole array of things just scattered all over the place. I'll tell you that right now. It's more so me just showing you guys that I'm going to be prepping the room to get it prepared for when I get ready to do my makeover. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. I love using this multi-purpose e-cloth that I purchased from Grove Collaborative. It helps to clean my mirrors really good. All you need is water, and the towel does the rest. Now my second towel here, you just use this to get rid of the streaks that are on the mirror. As you can see here, the e-cloth also works well with cleaning the sink. Again, I just need water, no harsh chemicals or any other cleaning products. Now I'm using Method and the Scent Spearmint to clean the toilet. To clean the toilet bowl, I'm using the Bon Ami powder cleanser. I needed to remove this rack to put on one of my walls for later. Now I'm clearing out all the items from underneath the sink and cleaning up that area. This tier cabinet is what I am using to help organize some things underneath the sink. I place all of my husband's shaving items on the top tier and the cleansing items on the bottom tier. Well, that's all I got for you guys today. I thank you so much for joining me today. Make sure that you stay tuned for next week's video so that you can see what transpires with the makeover with the half bath. I got some plans. Also, I will link in the description box the haul that I had of some of the things that I'm going to be using in the makeover. So be sure to check out that video too, as well as looking at this video to see what's going to happen on next week. All right, you guys. Thank you so much, like I said before, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.